Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one quite a few times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And I mentioned a while ago that there's really not much to talk about as long as the price is inside of the channel, and we just got to wait until something happens. Well, quote unquote something happens. Something did happen today, and now the big question revolves around: is this a true break? True break of what? Well, this resistance here at 0026. Again, I realize that'll mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos in the past, but if this is your first video, then yeah, 0026 has been the top of this channel, and you can see that for a long time today, the bulls struggled and struggled and struggled to get up above it, but then late day, in the afternoon, the bulls did eventually get up above it, and eventually pulled back and closed right at it. But the big question now going into tomorrow to close out the week on Friday is this the start of a true break? A true break having two parts. The first part is always the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. So the price has got to break above 0026. But then the next part is, can the price maintain above it? Perfect example right here. Here was a break of 0026, but it was not a true break because sure, that first part was accomplished. The price broke up above it. But when it came to maintaining up above it, well, then you can see there was no maintaining. The price fell back below it. So therefore, 0026 remained that area of resistance. Same thing right now. Is this a true break? If it is, well then not only, I'm not saying the price has to skyrocket tomorrow or anything like that, but the price now has to be able to start to stay up above 0026 and maintain the break, that it was trying to accomplish today. So that is definitely the main question, going into tomorrow as far as the quote-unquote story of the chart is concerned, is this the start of something bigger? And I'm defining something bigger as getting a true break, and a true break again being staying up above 0026. So nice volume today, nice price action. So it'll be very interesting to see how the bulls close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.